Taps, welcome back to my channel, Groovy Vibes. It's ramen time. So today we are trying Maruchan instant lunch chicken flavor. So we got a classic here, chicken flavor. Nothing too special, but hey, let's mark it off the list, right? So it's not cup of noodles, it's Maruchan. I don't think I actually tried this one. I'm used to the cup of noodles one, but anyway, so let's take a look here. 3 minutes, okay, not bad. Just fill to that, yeah. 290 calories, 1,180 milligrams of sodium. Wow, it's a lot right there, but it's for the videos, guys. It's okay. So potassium. Oh, okay. Well. But anyways, let's get to the kitchen. Let's get this started. I'm hungry, guys. It's lunchtime, just like the package says. Anyways, let's go. And we're back, guys. So here it is. Extremely hot and smells like chicken. Mix it around. Look at all that steam coming off. Oh, it just burned me. Ah, shoot. That needs to settle down. But anyways, brought the sriracha just in case. Just need that little spicy added. But yeah, it just needs to hold on. So wait. Okay, hopefully it's cooling down now. Yeah, not really. But as we're waiting, make sure to go hit that like button. All right, like and subscribe to this video, this channel, this groovy channel, top of the line exclusive, best of the best. If you guys haven't already. Trying to provide the best content for you guys. Yeah, I'm trying, right? Just this thing is just so hot. Come on, it's lunchtime. We gotta eat. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. Just for you guys. Oh, hot. Noodles always taste the same. Maybe one more minute. Oh, yeah. It's just normal. All right, this is normal. Honestly, nothing too special. Broth is good, chicken flavored, but maybe we need to step it up. Let's add a little bit. All right, just a little bit. Does that look good? Oh, wow. Well, there goes my fingers. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. Wow. Alright, let's give this a try. Mix up the sriracha. Arigato gozaimasu. Yeah, way better. The sriracha really does a lot to it, alright? Always make sure to add sriracha to your ramen or cup of noodles or whatever you're eating, you know? Just adds flavor. Hopefully no stomach problems. Ooh, the broth is really spicy. You know, also, before I mixed it, I saw like peas, carrots, but all of a sudden they disappeared. Like, I'm just seeing noodles and broth. Maybe I gotta get out of the way. Oh, really spicy. Oh, okay. Oh, corn as well. Okay, there we go. You guys see it now? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Missed it. Come on, pea. A lot better. But I noticed in the cup of noodles, there's actually tiny little microscopic chicken pieces. I noticed with the Maruchan, there's absolutely nothing. Just a little bit of veggies. Yeah. What's up with that, huh? Oh, what's up with that? Oh, my eyes are watering. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Well, there you go, lunchtime. All right, guys. So, I think the best thing to do is just let it sit for a while and then enjoy. Then add your sriracha. But anyways, hope you guys dig it all the way. Maruchan, cup of noodles. We're full sending it. All the ramen, all right? That's the goal. So we gotta eat all the ramen choices. But I gotta get these basic ones out of the way. So, anyways, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Later. Yeah.